Olive oil and longevity. Eat olive oil every day and this happens to your body. Olive oil, a staple in Mediterranean cuisine, is not just a flavorful addition to your meals, it's also celebrated for its potential health benefits. For centuries, people in Mediterranean regions have incorporated olive oil into their daily diets, attributing their longevity and well-being to this golden elixir. In this video, we'll explore the remarkable effects of consuming olive oil every day on your body and why it's often considered a key to a longer and healthier life. 1. Heart health. Monounsaturated fats. Olive oil is rich in monounsaturated fats, which are heart-healthy fats that can help reduce the risk of cardiovascular diseases. Regular consumption may lower bad cholesterol levels and decrease the risk of heart attacks and strokes. 2. Antioxidant power. Oleocanthal and polyphenols. Olive oil contains antioxidants like oleocanthal and polyphenols, which have anti-inflammatory properties. These antioxidants may protect your cells from damage, reducing the risk of chronic diseases. 3. Cancer prevention. Cancer-fighting properties. Some studies suggest that the compounds in olive oil may help combat certain types of cancer, particularly breast and colon cancer. 4. Improved digestion. Gentle on the digestive system. Olive oil is gentle on the digestive system and can aid in preventing constipation. It's often recommended for those with sensitive stomachs. 5. Brain health. Cognitive benefits. The healthy fats in olive oil may support brain health and reduce the risk of cognitive decline as you age. 6. Weight management, satiety factor. Consuming olive oil in moderation can help you feel full and satisfied, potentially assisting in weight management. 7. Longevity, Mediterranean diet. Connection. Olive oil is a central component of the Mediterranean diet, which has been linked to increased longevity and a reduced risk of chronic diseases. 8. Healthy skin, skin nourishment. The antioxidants and healthy fats in olive oil can nourish your skin, keeping it supple and youthful. Incorporating olive oil into your daily diet can have a profound impact on your health and well-being. Its potential benefits, including improved heart health, antioxidant power, cancer prevention, better digestion, and even enhanced longevity, make it a valuable addition to your meals. However, it's important to use olive oil in moderation, as it is calorie-dense. Choose extra virgin olive oil for maximum health benefits, and enjoy its delicious flavor while reaping the rewards it offers for a healthier and potentially longer life. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to my channel and leaving a comment with your thoughts. It really helps me to improve and create more content you'll enjoy.